Welcome back to Modern Ronin Media. My name is Tommy, and this is a channel where we talk about filmmaking for the people who love the art of filmmaking. And you know what? Today is December 31st, the last day of 2021. And I just want to come out here and wish you guys all a very happy New Year's. And I hope you guys are excited to get going into 2022. As you know, December ends the year, and I just want to talk about what we did over the last year. We really did come back and try to start up my channel again. So over the last year, I kind of put the podcast on hold while I was focusing on film and filmmaking. But this year has been exciting. Back in January, we shot with Alamo City Studios for their promo. We came in to set up a new studio here inside the loft with some new gear that we were getting. We got the OC monitor that we just did a review on back in, when was that? That was like April, May is when we got that in and we started testing it. We now have the other OC monitor that I'm staring at right now that came in at the beginning of December. We have the Kessler Cine slider and the Cine shooter that we've been testing. That's why if you see behind me, it kind of looks like a crap show, and that's why I went to red lights in the background this time. We were doing some test footage. I got picked up to be the DP of an upcoming short film, which for next year, we are going to be talking with the creators of this film and this project. We're going to do some live streams with them. That goes to shoot in March. So it's been a busy past year for me, but I'm actually even more excited about looking forward to what's going to happen next year. You know, it's been a very, very long and difficult year for so many people. Obviously, the thing that's going on right now, that's, you know, traveling the world and making things all weird and people going upside down and getting jabs and other things and getting sick. You know, hopefully, I had a whole channel called the Apocalypse Diaries back in 2020 dedicated to that subject. And as things were panning out into 2020, this was the inevitable point to where we'd want it to be, where it's gets around a little bit more, but it's less harmful, and hopefully we're going to see an end to that. That means more and more projects coming up for 2021. So what am I going to be doing? Well, starting off, we're going to try to get 52 videos out next year. Product reviews, unboxings, concepts, which is really where I want to start taking stuff. So we got, 3 or 4 videos already in the pipeline, getting ready to be written, shot, and edited at some point for each of those. And the first one that will probably be out next week, I hope, is, how do I say this? A slip-in review of the small rig clamp-on matte box. But what we really talk about there is more of the concept, like why do we use matte boxes to begin with? And then we'll talk about the small rig. We're also going to be doing that with filters. We have a Revar Cine filter we're going to talk about, but also why do we use the filters? Of course, as always, and I say it on every video, we have the aperture, like why I'm moving to aperture, which is another bigger concept. It's not just about a single light from aperture, but it's about a bigger concept of why that ecosystem is going to work for me. We're also going to try to shoot quite a few 1 to 3 minute videos on tips, on-set tips, from anything to special ways to tape off your gaffer's tape so you don't sit there for 5 minutes trying to find the end, to some set etiquette. We'll also be doing behind the scenes stuff with the upcoming short film. And of course, we're also going to try to do at least once a month to start with, if not more, live streams. So that's really what's going on with the film channel this year. We're also going to bring back the podcast. So if anyone's interested in hearing great veteran stories, take a look at After the Battle Campfire. It's on the Modern Ronin channel. So take a look there. We're also going to get a website up, and we're going to try to build this out. I don't want this to be only as a source of income, but a source of knowledge. So as we build this up, I need your help. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers by April. So if you guys can do me that favor and click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, share this off, put it out on Reddit, put it out on Facebook, the more that we put links out there, the more the backtracking YouTube recommends algorithm. I really have no idea what I'm talking about, but I know it has something to do with the more times that the link is shared, the algorithm rises you up and more people get a chance to see this. And I think most of the new subscribers that we have found value in it. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. On that note, you guys, I just wanted to come on real quick, do this video really quick before, the New Year's, get it out today. If you guys like this, do me a favor, like, subscribe, all of that once again. And also, get out and shoot. If you're gonna go party tonight for New Year's, or if you partied last night, take your camera, go shoot some video, go shoot some photos, be creative. And as always, get out there, shoot, create. Don't worry about the best equipment, worry about the equipment that is right for you.